name is Odette Rio. I'm the TOEIC manager here at GITC. I have been teaching TOEIC for more than 10 years. Well, actually since 2004. Why study here at GITC? The first thing that you have to consider is our location. We are situated in a place which is far from the city, so you have fewer distractions here to keep you from studying. Secondly, we have experienced instructors and we provide training on a regular basis to our tutors here.
GITC has a well-developed IELTS program. We cater students from different levels, from low beginner to advanced level. We even cater students from 0 level. We have up-to-date review materials for students to know the latest trends and developments of the IELTS, especially the IELTS test. We have simulated tests. We give it once a week for our man-to-man classes and also for our group classes. You don't only study. We don't only teach. We work together so that you get that AIM band score of yours. So why study in JTC? Because we care.
I choose Philippines because it's near Taiwan compared to
I'm from Japan. I came to GITC to study English because my mom wanted me to, but actually I enjoyed it. I met many friends and we had good memories together. In GITC, you learn while having the best memories of your life.